Now, given the binomial coefficients for the successive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole the power n is a positive, and we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, left hand side is C1 plus twice of C2 plus thrice of C3 plus n times Cn. Now, what we can write it? NC1 plus 2 times NC2 plus 3 times NC3 plus n times NCn. Now, we are having NC1 is equal to n, NC2 is n times n minus 1 upon 2 factorial, NC3 n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 upon 3 times 2 times 1, NCn is equal to 1, like this. All the terms, you are already aware of all these things. Now, NCn, it is n plus 2 times n minus 1 upon 2 plus 3 n minus 1 n minus 2 3 times 2 times 1 plus n times 1. Now, this becomes n plus n times n minus 1 plus n times n minus 1 n minus 2 upon 2 times 1 plus n. Now, taking n common, we are left with 1 plus n minus 1 plus n minus 1 n minus 2 plus 1. Now, n minus 1 C0 is equal to 1 and n minus 1 C n minus 1 is equal to n minus 1 C n minus last term, that is also 1, n minus 1 C1 is equal to n minus 1, like this. Okay, NC1 C2, it will be this term. So, what we are doing now? We are writing n with this one, it will n minus 1 C0, this term 1 with n minus 1, this part n minus 1, n minus 1 C1. Now, this term n minus 1 C2 plus n minus 1 C n minus 1. Okay. Now, this becomes n times 2 raised to power n minus 1. C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus Cn is equal to 2 raised to power n by property. Therefore, now n minus 1 C0 plus n minus 1 C1, like this, plus n minus 1 C n minus 1, this will be 2 raised to power, earlier here it was n, now n minus 1, so it is n minus 1. That is what we have used here. Now, this is equal to right hand side, hence proved.